Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a fun and creative project that I think you're going to love. We're going to be making this adorable crochet flower keychain. It's simple and quick, so grab your yarn, hook, and let's get started. To begin, let's create a magic ring, which serves as the foundation for our crochet project. Yarn over, then pull up a loop. Once the ring is ready, work 5 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4. 5. Be sure to pull the tail of the yarn to close the ring tightly, creating a neat and secure circle. Next, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet to close the round neatly. After that, chain 1 to prepare for the next round. In the same stitch we made the slip stitch, we're going to make 2 single crochets. One, 2. Continue this pattern all the way around, ending with a total of 10 single crochet stitches. Now, let's change the yarn color. Follow these steps for a smooth and neat color transition. Insert the hook from the last single crochet we made. Then grab new yarn color and pull through 2 loops. After changing the yarn color, make a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round to close it neatly. Then chain 1 to prepare for the next round. Pull the yellow yarn's tail. To begin creating the first petal, make a chain of 3 stitches. This will form the base for our petal design. Next, work 2 double treble crochet stitches into the first stitch. Yarn over 3 times, then slip stitch in the first stitch. Then pull through 2 loops at a time. Then, another double treble crochet in same stitch. Then another double treble crochet in the next stitch. Now create 4 chains to complete our first petal. Now slip stitch, then chain 4 in the same stitch. We can now cut the tail of yellow yarn and green yarn. Then continue same pattern for a total of 5 petals. Now slip stitch, then chain 1. Now let's grab new yarn color for the highlight of our flower, then make a loop. Insert hook in the last stitch that we worked into, then pull red yarn over. Then let's make chain 5. Then work single crochet in the next 5 spaces of the petal. Then work chain 5 in the last part. Then slip stitch. Then continue same pattern to the last petal. Make 2 of these flower. To create the chain for our flower, start by making a loop to secure your yarn. Then, chain 50 stitches to form the length of the flower's chain. Now, let's assemble our flower. Let's cut the excess yarns, then arrange the petals neatly. Let's secure the ends using glue stick. And now our crochet flower keychain is complete. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and creative projects.